Hello everyone, welcome to Housey. This is Simran Singh and today I'm going to be taking you to Thane's one of the most talked about project, Dosti West County. If you're looking for a perfect mix of modern living, open spaces and great connectivity, this project might catch your attention. As you can see, I'm standing at the actual location. Right here is the main road. Have a look at the main road and the neighborhood. Now I'll take you outside and show you the connectivity. Talking about connectivity of this project is located in Thane, Balkum. As you can see right here, this road connects you to Thane Bhiwandi Road. And the right side leads you to Eastern Express Highway. And this side leads you to Bhiwandi. But before that, let me tell you about Housey. So Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyers directly with developers, thereby giving you bottom rate pricing. Unlike other current listing platforms where if you inquire once, your number is shared with multiple brokers which may lead to many calls. But now you don't need to worry anymore because Housey is here where we connect you directly with builders. So buy your dream home directly with builders only on Housey. Talking about the connectivity, as mentioned, this project is located in Thane, Balkum with Eastern Express Highway at a distance of just 5 minutes, upcoming metro station right here, Thane station at a distance of just 5 kilometers, school, colleges, hospitals all within a radius of just 1 to 2 kilometers. The entire township is spread across approximately 105 acres. Now let's talk about one of the most important part, its cluster. Dosti West County is not just a single project but a township divided into multiple clusters. Dosti Tulip, Dosti Nest and Dosti Sector 1. As you can see, I'm standing at the actual location. Right here is Dosti Sector 1. Over there is Dosti Tulip and right behind that is Dosti Nest. Talking about project overview of Dosti Sector 1, so it's made on a land parcel of 16.35 acres with 5 towers, ground plus 32 floors with a configuration of 2 and 3 BHK. Talking about the carpet area of Dosti Sector 1, 2 BHK ranges from 628 to 833 square feet and 3 BHK ranges from 923 square feet to 1264 square feet. Pricing for 2 BHK ranges from 1.35 CR to 1.80 CR and pricing for 3 BHK ranges from 1.95 CR to 2.70 CR. And the possession for this particular project is April 2027. Talking about the project overview of Dosti Nest, so it's made on a land parcel of 7 acres with 3 towers, ground plus 4 levels of podiums plus 33 residential floors with a configuration of 1 and 2 BHK. Talking about the configuration of Dosti Nest, 1 BHK carpet is 322 square feet and 2 BHK ranges from 568 square feet to 604 square feet. Talking about the pricing, the price for 1 BHK is 66 lakhs and the price for 2 BHK ranges from 1.16 crore to 1.24 crore. The possession for this project is December 2026. Talking about project overview of Dosti Tulip, it is made on a land parcel of 3 acres with 3 towers, ground plus 4 level podium and 30 residential floors with a configuration of 2 and 3 BHK. Talking about carpet area, it has 2 configuration as I mentioned, 2 and 3 BHK. 2 BHK ranging from 583 square feet to 675 square feet and 3 BHK with 923 square feet. Talking about the pricing for 2 BHK ranges from 1.25 CR to 1.45 CR and the pricing for 3 BHK is 1.55 CR. Talking about the possession for this project will be October 2026. Talking about amenities, the project has 35 plus luxurious amenities including swimming pool, jogging track, multi-purpose court, kids play area and many more. Talking about the booking process, our booking process is now open. Clients are requested to come and visit the site where a sales manager will help you with the actual project details, will also show you the actual flat and will also help you with the payment and EMI schemes. If clients like the project, they can move ahead with the token amount. So everyone, this was the complete information of Dosti West County. To get more information about this project, do check the comment section.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.